Hi guys, guess where I'm at? I'm at a Goodwill. But it's not just any old Goodwill. This Goodwill is 12 miles from Disney, and from what I hear, they get a lot of Disney stuff in there. So, let's go check it out. Okay, first off, it's very busy here. There's a lot of people. It's busy. And now we're going to go check it out. Oh, I'm excited to find something good. I hope to find something good. Fingers crossed. So we're going to go right back over here. It is crowded and there is a long line to check out. So. Let's see. Okay, I'm not seeing anything too fantastic where I have to have it. Not finding anything like that. I got a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. There you go. Rubbermaid 2-piece set. $1.99. I'm always on the look for Tupperware. Oh my gosh, people, I can't get over how busy and crowded it is in here. Oh, look at the big old glasses. Anybody thirsty? $7.99. That's if they tell you you can only have one cocktail. That's your cocktail glass. Alright, I'll just come down this aisle. There's a lot of kids stuff in here. It's supposed to be sporting goods, but it's kids stuff. And then this is pretty much seasonal. Alright, so we're going to check another aisle out here. Office, school supplies, stuff. You need paper. There's lots of paper. Alright, let's go check the furniture out and see what we can find. Oh, what is this? I wonder if this works. They want $50 for it. Alright, let me see. I'm not finding anything fantastic here at all. Nope. Animal Shop, anybody? This store is huge. There's lots of clothes. Lots of shoes. Let's go check it out. Alright, you got lots and lots of shoes. Oh, here's slippers with flamingos on them. $6.99. Oh, these are lightweight and feel like much. But this is the end of the line and you check out over there. So I think I'm just going to be looking. Oh, look at the cute little boots. Barely worn, $5.99. They are so cute. A lot of kids' shoes, so a lot to pick from. Alright, so the rest is pretty much closed. I'm not going to sit there and go through all of them right now. So I take from this store that there's a lot of name brand items in there. I didn't see a whole lot of Disney stuff. But because it is in Winter Garden, it's a nicer area. You're going to get nicer stuff in there. Saturdays are crazy busy, so I will come back on another day and check it out. So this was a neat little find that I found, thanks to Donna. So we'll be checking the place out more.
Turn right onto West Colonial Drive.
Oh, okay. We're trying to figure out how to get out of here, so we can go home. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.